always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's another cooking episode today. I still figured I'd spend some time in the kitchen and make a keto quesadilla, which is something that I've never made before. But having said that, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Mexican low-carb, sugar-free, grain-free quesadilla, which is in perfect line for all you ketogenic ketosis followers. And without any further ado, let's get started. There's no point in doing a taste test because it's lunchtime now anyway, so I'm going to have this for lunch. Delicious. It just tastes like a toasted cheese and spinach sandwich, but you just know that there's no grains involved. The perfect lunch treat. It's even perfect to have for breakfast if you've got the time and the inclination to make it. But if you enjoyed watching me make this keto quesadilla with spinach and Parmesan cheese, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. And by the way, I did use my new Breville hot plate to do all the cooking, just in case you were wondering how I managed to cook on the tabletop. So thank you again for watching. I'm going to get out of here and enjoy the rest of the day, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.